Hi, Mark from Survivor Filter here. We're in beautiful Georgian Bay in Ontario, Canada. I'm going to start going through some of our other products so you can see how to use these properly. So let's open up. What do we have in here? We've got, Survivor Filter Pro. Now, normally what people do is they'll take the Pro, connect the pre-filter. Let's take the cup out here to pump into. They'll throw the Pro in the water and they'll pump. And they'll make sure that the pre-filter is fully submerged. That's fine, but a better advice is to take one of these. This is your collapsible bucket. This is just any bucket you get anywhere. Fill her up, let a little water out, stick up here, find a flat surface, put the pre-filter in, let the sediment sit to the bottom, then let's take out the external hose, let's take out our cup, here. Take out our cup. Let's open her up. In case any of you are wondering what this cup is for, it's designed to be your drinking cup and fit right on top of the device. Put it right here. And let's try to draw in water and pump. Now this has already been used, but you can see clear water comes right out of the lake water. Now, and I'm going to drink this very fast. When you're pumping, you can go fast, you can fill up quicker. The key to maintaining a good flow rate with this device is your pre-filter. 99% of clogs are right here. Why? Well, inside your pre-filter, it's tightly bound to about a 0.1, I would say a 0.1 or 0.2 absolute micron filter. So it technically can be used as a regular filter to drink from lake water if there's no viral issues. But the problem is when you're filling up, a small mineral can get jammed in here. And if you keep pumping in and don't backwash often enough, sometimes it can get lodged right there where the membranes and the outlet come. The key to preventing this and making sure it never happens is to backwash constantly. So let me just grab a backwash syringe from here. Just give you an idea of what needs to be done to prevent this from happening. So here we got a backwash syringe. I'm going to take some of the water here. I'm going to go fill after every 1 to 2 liters. Don't wait till the product's clogged. Backwash often. So here, 1, and we're going to backwash 1 with clean. 2 with clean. Then let's do something else. We'll fill this up with air. We're going to put it back into the filter, and we're going to do push-outs. 1, much as we can get through, and drawing out and drawing back in. If you do this every liter or 2, your Pro pump will never, ever clog, because it'll all be clogged from here. Otherwise, if you wait till it's clogged, you run the risk of having the pre-filter clogging up. Now, we replace it if the pre-filter gets clogged and can't get unclogged. But the problem is if you're out in the wilderness, you're on the go, and you're in an emergency situation, you don't want to have to worry about this getting clogged. You want to be proactive with your gear. Now on to the next. If we want to clean this, same principle. You're backwashing, you're taking everything out, and you're air drying. And you could do the same thing here. You could take the syringe without any water in it, and you can actually blow out the water inside, see here on the internal pre-filter, and that'll help it dry faster. So you might as well use all the tools we give you. Leave these to dry out, and that's for just taking out and cleaning when you're using on your everyday without having to do a full washout.